Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to reset your Hyundai Santa Fe service light. This easy guide will help you clear that reminder quickly. First, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. You should see the service light or message on your dashboard. Next, locate the control buttons on the left side of your steering wheel. These are crucial for navigating the display. Now, let's navigate to the correct menu. Use the Mode or Menu button on your steering wheel to cycle through the various display options on your instrument cluster. Keep pressing until you find the User Settings or Service Interval menu. For some newer models, you might find these settings within the vehicle's main center touchscreen display instead, under a Setup or Vehicle menu. With the Service Interval menu open, it's time to perform the reset. Select the Reset option. You might need to press and hold the OK or Check button, usually found on your steering wheel, for about 3 to 5 seconds. The display will then ask you to confirm the reset. Select Yes to clear the current service reminder and update your vehicle's maintenance schedule. Finally, let's verify that the reset was successful. Turn off your vehicle's ignition completely. Wait for a few seconds, then turn the ignition back to the on position. The service light or maintenance reminder message should now be off, confirming that you have successfully reset your Hyundai Santa Fe's service light. Great job, and thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.